Bases are substances that neutralise acids. Let's have a look at some examples. Lime or calcium hydroxide is a base that farmers spread onto fields to neutralise acidic soils. This is done because plants grow best in neutral pHs. If you've ever had indigestion, you may have eaten a base like magnesium hydroxide to neutralise excess hydrochloric acid that's produced in your stomach. Take a few moments to have a look at some other examples of bases. So what's the difference between alkalis and bases? Well, both can neutralise acids, but alkalis are soluble bases, which means they can dissolve in water. The product of the reaction between an acid and a base is a neutral substance called a salt. The reaction can be summarised as acid plus base gives salt plus water. A salt is an ionic compound. Most salts consist of positively charged metal ions and negatively charged non-metal ions. Sodium chloride is only one example of a salt. It's properly referred to as common salt. So let's take a look at a common neutralisation reaction. Here we have hydrochloric acid, and here is sodium hydroxide. So if I add universal indicator to the acid, I should expect a red colour. And if I add universal indicator to the alkali, I should expect a purple colour. Lovely. So I'm going to place the acid on the magnetic stirrer. This is a stirrer. Switch that on. And I'm going to slowly add the alkali to the point of neutralisation. And as you can see, the colour of this solution is green, which suggests it's neutral. Let's have a look at the neutralisation of hydrochloric acid by sodium hydroxide. As we've already seen, all acids contain hydrogen ions. These are the ions responsible for all acid reactions. Alkali solutions contain hydroxide ions. These are the ions responsible for all alkali reactions. When an acid or an alkali dissolves in water, the substance splits up to make hydrogen ions or hydroxide ions respectively. The other dissolved ion is a spectator ion because it's not involved in the reaction, and in this case they would be sodium ions and chloride ions. So during a neutralisation reaction, hydrogen ions react with hydroxide ions to produce water. The spectator ions stay dissolved in the solution. So we can remove them from the equation and summarise it as hydrogen plus hydroxide gives water. All neutralisation reactions can be written in the same way because the only change that is taking place is the hydrogen ions joining with the hydroxide ions to make water molecules. The spectator ions are left over. They form the salt in solution produced by the reaction.